Do you wanna know how to use PSD files on your Android device? Keep watching this video, and at the end of this video you will definitely know how to use PSDs on your mobile device. Hey guys, what's up? Tribe here. So let's get into the video. So the only application you will need is Photopea. This is all you require to use PSD files, and this is not even a requirement. You can just go to Google Chrome and search photopea.com and you are ready to go. You can use PSD files on any device which have a browser. Okay, so let's open our so this is the surface you will get when you first time open Photopea. So simply we just have to click on file, open, and select your PSD file. Like I'm using this one. PSD file, your Mockup file will be basically PSD file. So we are importing PSD file, although you can also import AI file, HDs and etc. So we have successfully imported our PSD. Click on layer. This is the icon for layers. It says delete this or delete this layer, and here you go. We have to replace this text and font. So what we have to do is just double click on this layer. It says your design here. Double click on this, and here you go. Here it's previous logo. Just delete this layer and import your text file. Or any other PNG you want to replace it with. So I'm going to use this one. If you don't know, by the way, how to convert text files to PNGs, check out my video on that. The link will be given in the description below. Now we just have to click on select and select all. Come back to our design PSD. Not right now, just select all and then click on edit and copy. Now come back to our design PSD, the PSD which basically have the smart object. Now click on edit and paste it. It's simple. Now click on file and click on save as smart object. Save smart. Okay, it says smart object is updated. So come back to our first PSD. Click on this. This will also take time, about 30 seconds. So now as you see, we have successfully replaced the text and the logo with a PNG, and it looks awesome, and it was so easy. Now all you just have to do is click on file and export as, select JPG or PNG. PNG is basically for images with transparent backgrounds. So we are going to select JPG here, select the quality, click on save, and again select the format, again PNG, and it's saved in my gallery. It's that easy. Now you can use any other PSD or any other Mockup to use it. The process will be same. there will be one layer which will say your design here, edit this or something like that. Just double click on that and replace the PNG. It's that simple. So that's all. Hopefully you will like this video. Subscribe if you want more content like this. Thanks for watching. Subscribe here. See you next time.